Today, I'll show you simple meal prep tips that will help you save time, eat healthier, and actually stick to your diet. Let's start with tip number 1. Check what you already have. Before you even start planning, take a look through your fridge, freezer, and pantry. I bet you can make so many meals with what's already there. Any forgotten veggies or leftover grains, or maybe even half a jar of sauce hiding in the back. Think about how you can use them. Maybe as a base for some meals or a swap in some recipes. You'll not only save money, but you'll also cut down on food waste. And honestly, that's a win for everyone. Tip number 2, review your upcoming week. Meal prep only works if it fits your life. So take a minute to look at your week ahead. Think about it. What are you working on? Are you going to be late, going out, or maybe you already know you're going to be too tired to cook? Once you know what your schedule looks like, you can plan smarter. That might mean prepping quick grab and go meals for busy days or saving more relaxed cooking for the nights when you know you're actually going to have the time to do so. And with TAIMA Pure Titanium cookware, it all gets easier. Your meals cook faster, cleanup takes seconds, and you can feel good knowing it's completely safe for your health. That's how you stay consistent week after week. Trust me, a little planning means way less stress later and no more last-minute takeout runs. Tip number 3. Pick a few core meals instead of coming up with completely different recipes for every day. Pick a few core dishes you can mix and match throughout the week. Think grilled chicken, roasted veggies, or cooked grains. They can easily be turned into salads, wraps, or bowls with just a few simple tweaks. It keeps things interesting and much easier. You can easily make all of these core dishes with TAIMA's Pure Titanium pans. Nothing sticks, nothing leaches toxins into your food, and you keep all of those good nutrients right where they belong. And the best part, you can pan fry, roast, or even pop it straight into the oven. That's how versatile it is. Tip number 4, cook components, not always full meals. You don't always have to cook full meals ahead of time. Sometimes it's easier to just focus on the building blocks. You can roast a tray of veggies, cook up some rice or quinoa, and get your proteins ready. Chicken, beans, tofu, whatever you like. Spend just a few hours on Sunday prepping all of these basics, and putting meals together during the week will be much quicker and easier for you. It'll help you mix and match, build different dishes, and in just a few minutes instead of spending ages in the kitchen every day. So when hunger hits, you can grab a healthy meal in no time instead of reaching for something fast that might throw your diet off track. Tip number 5, go freezer friendly. Now this one is my favorite meal prep hack for 2026. Here's why. Soups, stews, sauces, and even some baked dishes all freeze well. Make a batch and stash them in the freezer. That way you've got a healthy meal ready to go even on your busiest days, and you won't even cook. You'll save time, you'll save money, and you'll stick to your diet even if life gets hectic. Did you drink enough water today? If plain water just feels boring, but you know you should be drinking more, don't worry, I've got you. In this video, I'm sharing 5 simple hydrating hacks using TAIMA Titanium bottles and ice cubes to help you drink more water every day. Your body is about 60% water, so even if you're not thirsty, you still need it. But how to turn drinking water into something you look forward to? Here are 5 tips to make it easy. Number 1, infuse it with lemon without worrying about leaching. If you just add some lemon slices or berries and let them sit for a few minutes, your water will taste so much better, fresher, and more exciting, and even healthier with a boost of vitamin C and antioxidants. Now, the problem is, not all bottles handle acid well. With plastic, stainless steel, and aluminum bottles, acid can react with materials, leaching harmful chemicals into your water. It can also mess with the taste, making it less enjoyable to drink. But with the TAIMA Titanium water bottle, you don't have to worry. It's made from pure titanium, so acids won't react with it. That means you can add as much lemon or fruit as you want without worrying about contaminating your water, and it won't taste weird. Number 2, keep it ice cold longer. Let's be real, when your water tastes bland and warm, you kind of lose the urge to drink it. You start with something cold and refreshing, and before you know it, the ice melts and the drink goes flat. So how do you keep your water cold for longer? TAIMA Titanium ice cubes are perfect for that because they don't melt. Your drink stays cold hold up to twice as long without messing with the taste. Here's why. The outer shell of the ice cubes is made from pure titanium, which is non-toxic, antibacterial, and flavor neutral, while the inside has a safe glycerin water cooling gel that locks in the chill without any dilution. You've got cold, fresh, and clean water in every sip. Number 3, keep it safe anywhere. How often do you actually wash your water bottle? Probably not after every use, and that's where the bottles become a problem. Plastic, steel, aluminum, and even glass water bottles can quickly turn into breeding grounds for mold, especially around the mouthpiece. But the TAIMA Titanium water bottle is different. It's naturally antibacterial, sterile, and completely toxin-free. No coatings, no chemicals, just pure titanium that keeps your water clean no matter where you take it. Even if you forget to rinse your water bottle right away, you're still drinking from one of the cleanest and safest bottles out there. Peace of mind that you just can't put a price on. Number 4, switch from plastic. If you don't know by now, plastic is the worst. Even BPA-free bottles can leach hormone-disrupting chemicals, especially if they get warm. And that faint plastic taste, nobody likes that. With TAIMA Titanium water bottles, you can avoid that because pure titanium is completely non-toxic. That means no BPA, no PFAS, and no coatings, so your water stays fresh even when exposed to heat. And number 5, travel light and stay hydrated. Whether you're hitting the gym, commuting, or running errands, a bulky bottle can slow you down. So if plastic's off the table, what can you use that's lightweight but also safe? Pure titanium. It's about 50% lighter than steel, so you can take TAIMA Titanium bottles anywhere without feeling weighed down and without worrying about chemicals or contamination. With that sleek, minimalist design and matte finish, it's a truly stylish bottle you'll want to show off wherever you go. Now, with these hydrating hacks, there's really no excuse for not drinking more water. Ready to get your titanium drinkware? Visit taimatitanium.com and get your own TAIMA Titanium bottle and ice cubes to keep every sip clean, safe, and refreshing. What's your favorite tip for staying hydrated? Drop it in the comments. Today we are making 3 easy, healthy snacks with TAIMA Titanium kitchenware that will crush those cravings right away. Let's kick things off with something warm, high protein, and seriously satisfying. Cottage cheese egg bake. This is perfect when you want something cozy or filling, especially when the weather starts cooling down or if the New Year's goal for you is to eat healthier and stay on track. It's a quick source of protein that'll take only 15 minutes to prepare. What I love most about it though is that the recipe is really customizable. You can toss in whatever veggies, herbs, or leftovers you have on hand to make your very own cottage cheese egg bake that you'll actually want to look forward to eating. Start by preheating your oven to 350 Fahrenheit. Then grab your TAIMA Pure Titanium pan. This pan is a game changer. Its non-toxic surface, even heating distribution, and nutrient-retaining design makes it perfect for cooking delicate mixtures like an egg bake. The pan will keep it perfectly cooked and easy to remove so you won't have to scratch at it later. Now, prep your mix-ins. Chop some fresh spinach, bell pepper, broccoli, carrot, whatever you have around. You only need about a cup of veggies, so it's a great way to use leftovers. You can even add ham or cooked sausage if you'd like. It's totally up to you. Next, crack 8 eggs into a high-powered blender along with a cup of cottage cheese. 1% fat will work great. Add seasonings, 1/4 teaspoon each of salt, black pepper, garlic powder, and onion powder, and blend until smooth. Pour the mixture directly into your TAIMA Pure Titanium pan. Scatter chopped veggies on top and sprinkle with some shredded cheese if you'd like. Pop the pan into the oven and bake at 350 Fahrenheit for about 18 to 22 minutes, or until the egg bake is set and no longer jiggly. Let it cool before slicing and serving. Store any extras in an airtight container in the fridge. Perfect for busy mornings, post-workout fuel, or a quick protein snack. Now, who doesn't love something crunchy? Crispy veggie chips. These are proof that healthy doesn't have to be boring. They're crispy, salty, and most importantly, good for you. You can use any veggies you want: sweet potatoes, beets, zucchini, taro, or yellow squash. Get creative. Wash and slice them thinly. For high water veggies like zucchini or beets, sprinkle lightly with salt and let sit for about 15 minutes to draw out the moisture. Pat them dry, then toss lightly with avocado oil. Here is where your TAIMA Pure Titanium pan shines. You can bake your chips directly on the pan because the slip scale surface ensures nothing sticks. Titanium's even heat distribution helps every chip brown beautifully while retaining more nutrients, giving you a crispier, healthier snack. Arrange all of the slices in a single layer and bake for 15 minutes. Rotate halfway, bake for another 15, and then finish for 5 to 10 more minutes until crisp. Even if some of them feel soft right out of the oven, they'll firm up as they cool. And finally, something sweet and refreshing. Frozen Greek yogurt berry bowls. Ridiculously simple with just 3 ingredients. They're creamy, protein-packed, and filled with antioxidants. Blend together 230 grams of Greek yogurt, any fat level, 2 cups of berries, fresh or frozen, and 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. Add honey, maple syrup, or stevia if you'd like it sweeter. Blend until smooth, then pour into bowls. And here's a little trick. To keep your berries cold without them melting, use TAIMA Titanium ice cubes. They're sterile, naturally antibacterial, and never melt, keeping your snacks perfectly cold and clean. Top with cocoa nibs, chia seeds, bee pollen, or shredded coconut for extra texture. Who says healthy can't be tasty and amazing? These 3 snacks hit every craving. Warm, crunchy, and sweet. All made with TAIMA Titanium kitchenware. Who wants to do a million dishes after cooking? Exactly. Today, I'll show you simple meal prep tips that will help you save time, eat healthier, and actually stick to your diet. Tip number 1. 1 pot for minimal cleanup meals. Throw your proteins, veggies, and grains together, and dinner is basically done. Tip number 2. Use shortcuts and multi-purpose ingredients. Don't be afraid of shortcuts. Frozen or canned veggies and pre-chopped produce can all make your meals faster and tastier. And you know what that means. Sticking to your diet and eating something good daily will no longer feel like such a struggle. And don't forget flavor-packed multi-purpose ingredients from your cupboard. For example, harissa or miso can add a quick kick, while nut butter brings creaminess and depth. These ingredients can completely transform your dish without extra work. Tip number 3. Stock up on storage. If you're going to be cooking and freezing a bunch of meals, you're going to need somewhere to put them. Don't let your prep work go to waste just because you ran out of containers. So invest in a few good airtight containers. For example, shallow ones are great for cooling meals quickly. And don't forget to label them with the date so you always know what's fresh. Remember, good storage makes meal prep feel way less chaotic and way more doable. Tip number 4. Track your favorites. Keep a list of your tried and true meals so when it's time to prep, you're not staring straight at the fridge wondering what to make. It's such a simple trick, but it saves tons of time and keeps you from reaching for something quick that's not actually in your diet. Tip number 5. Be flexible and have backups. Why? Because life happens and sometimes your meal prep just doesn't go the way you planned. When that happens, having a few fast emergency staples can really save the day. Keep it simple with quick options like canned beans, tuna, sweet corn, baked beans, or even frozen veggies. In about 10 minutes, you can throw together a meal for yourself or your family without stressing. And if things change at the last minute, no big deal. Just freeze what you are working on and fall back to your backups like quick pasta, noodles, or even picky plate style meals. Having a plan B can keep you on track and give you peace of mind, knowing you're always prepared. Now, all these tips are amazing, but they work even better when you have the right tools in the kitchen. And right now, doing your meal prep with titanium cookware is the healthiest and safest way to get your meals ready. But not just any titanium cookware. TAIMA Titanium is the only brand in the world offering pots and pans made from grade 1 certified medical titanium, the purest form possible. That means cookware that's completely free of toxins, hormone disruptors, lightweight yet incredibly durable, and easy to clean so you can forget about scrubbing. It just makes cooking so much safer and easier that you'll wonder how you ever managed without it. Don't just plan your healthy meals, make them count. Visit TaimaTitanium.com and get your purest titanium cookware today.